Okay, for problem number one, it says fill in the table. And what's the table going to be? There's certain numbers they want you to evaluate the function. I certainly will do this on a computer. And what I mean by that is I don't compute these by hand. But I do want to say to you, if you look at these numbers over here, this is what x is. If you look at this and you look at this sequence of numbers over here, I hope you realize that this is getting close to 3 from the right side. All right? So if you look at those numbers, we're looking at the number 3, and these numbers here, like 3.0020, 3.010, they're getting closer and closer to 3. And we say this is from the right side. All right? Then what you're going to look at is the other set of numbers I've given you, and you got these numbers over here, like 2.9980, 2.999. And again, maybe a little time to think about that. And what's happening over here? Those numbers, those x numbers, are getting closer to 3 from the left side. Now, the function is going to push back this functional value. And if you look at this sequence of numbers, and again, looking at it, again, there's no definite, conclusion on this one over here, but I'm going to say it sure does look like, all right, that it's going to 4.5. And then if I look at this guy over here, I'm also saying it looks like it's going towards 4.5. So if someone said, what's the limit? Well, as we approach 3, whatever the function's doing, it appears to be approaching a number. And I'm going to say it appears to be approaching number 4.5. Whoops, sorry about that. Or you might say instead 9/2. I think it's more appropriate to say 9/2, by the way. All right, so I'm going to say the function approaches 9/2. Thank you.